Good morning, or good evening, or whatever it is at your place. Here it's afternoon. It's now 2 o'clock. And I think there is 1 hour time difference more now because I think it's 9 o'clock in Europe now. So that means, yeah, you have summertime now. So we are like 7 hours behind you guys. So you already have all the newest news. I'm just waking up and we moved into our new apartment. We created a really cool video about this. This video is going to be live later today. How we went to the apartment with the kids, how they reacted, and all that stuff. Today, I'm doing the live from the rooftop of our apartment. And yes, of course, I'm going to show you the rooftop, but I want you at the end to also watch the other video to see, how we went into this new apartment. We will be staying here for 30 nights or maybe 31 nights, depending on when the flight is back, because we did reschedule the flight, but then the flight was cancelled again by the flight operator. So let's see. We will see for a new search for a newer flight. We are in the new apartment, and I'm going to show the new apartment in a minute. Also created a new video about that one, and that will be live after this one on YouTube as well, edited with beautiful music, and again, the family style video. So yes, I'm going to show you now the rooftop. I am on my rooftop. I'm so happy. It's the first time we have a little bit more expensive apartment. Normally we book these cheap backpacker places or long-term cheap rentals, and now we did spend a little bit more, but then you get a little bit more. So I'm waiting till more and more people are in so that we can show the rest. I received the Tiger article about Thailand. All the world, they are doing the same game every time again, guys. Then it's India that's going to ban crypto. Then it's Thailand that's going to do like tight regulations. Then it's that country. That is all FUD. It's all to drop the prices, to buy Bitcoin lower, because they all know they cannot they can't say no anymore. It's already, when the biggest names in the world are going to do all that stuff now and accept Bitcoin. And we are talking about PayPal, MicroStrategy, Mass Mutual, all the banks. They are all aborting Bitcoin. All these governments that now shout, "No, we are not going to do it." It's all It's all like FUD, FUD, FUD. Not real. It's like I don't believe it. But we are on Sunday, Playa del Carmen, Mexico. We are going to do a really cool, yeah, that one, FUD. We are going to do a live, talk about Bitcoin blockchain and live a little bit. Yesterday I had a huge hangover, so I only did 30 minutes. I don't know, maybe today also 30 minutes. I didn't look at the charts anymore. This morning we were still fighting this green line that I drew on the chart yesterday and the day before. My head is doing okay. I'm huddling fine again, completely full with energy. I did sport this morning. You will laugh. The video that I made about the apartment and where we're staying and everything. It's a nice video. I will publish the video later today or tomorrow morning. Then for you guys, I think it's a cool family video where we show the whole apartment and all that stuff. Rene, you're the biggest bear I have ever met. And you have he's already bearish since March last year when Bitcoin was 8K and I thought we were going to go to 50. And he was like, no, we're going to go to 4. And then we were at 12 and Rene was like, no, we were going to go to 10. And then we were at 15 and Rene was like, no, we were going to go back to 10. And then we were at 20 and Rene was like, no, we are going to go back to 15. And I just have deep respect for Rene that he keeps commenting below the videos with all these bearish pullbacks. We are now, you started commenting like bearish Rene when we were at 8K and we are now at 60K. So sometimes you just need to become bullish. Thank you so much for the 5 euros that just was donated. But I love all you followers. I like Rene. I like because we all need to, share our opinion. And maybe we will pull back. But I'm at 60K almost again, so I'm happy. Didi, I have a Mexican girl and she cannot do minance in Mexico. Oh, I couldn't read the whole question. It went too fast. Sorry. Please repeat the question. Sell your cryptos and start again with smaller amounts. You could, why not? The courage. It's the slogan we always say. It's like if you live in fear, you will always have not that cool life, and if you just have the courage to change life, you have more an adventurous life. Was there a question with the donation? I don't know. No, it was just a donation. Sorry. So for me, it's fear kills most dreams. It's my honest opinion. Fear is always killing those dreams. All the dreams you had, they are killed by the fear of the unknown, by the fear of the outcome, by the fear it might go wrong. If you lose the fear for making decisions and you start to make decisions out of passion because it makes you happy, life becomes more easy, in my opinion. Bitcoin always, of course, is manipulated, and yeah, that's also why I don't fear it, because I know at the end they will manipulate it to the upside, because they are not in it to make losses, they are in it to make profits. Just pop up your questions. I will try to answer the most the questions. We have 100 viewers, we have 20 thumbs up. Let's do it like this. If we reach 50 thumbs up, I will show you the whole rooftop terrace, and it's about I think it's almost 100 square meters. Huh? I think it's a rooftop terrace of 100 square meters. So I think you want to see that side, but we need 50 thumbs up. Yeah, for the ones that saw my tweet about paid network, it was kind of the edge of can you or can you not tweet that, as maybe there is some knowledge involved, pre-knowledge, which is not completely the way to do it normally. So I would buy the paid dip. Next week there is some huge news coming. I've been advising paid already for years, since the beginning of the start of paid till now. I'm an ambassador, so yes, be aware I am an ambassador for paid network, which means that yes, I have some law for them. Arrange a one-on-one. Yes, I will let you know, David, how we can do a one-on-one. So I'm an ambassador for paid network, but till now I told you to buy it at 12 cents, it went to $5. I told you to buy it at $1.50. When it dropped, it went back to $2.50. I told you now to buy it at $1.90, because next week there is huge news coming, and this huge news I think will have some influence on the price. So that's why I'm buying paid. Wait, I need to answer this question. Can you let me know how I can arrange a one-on-one meeting with you? David, I do a lot of one-on-one meetings. Sadly, too many at the moment. Sadly, I need to start to ask money for it. There is a link. It's called You Can Book Me. Didi Taihuttu. You can book me. But please send me a private message on Telegram. I will connect to you. Thanks for the €5 donation. I will send you the link, and then we have a pre-conversation which is completely for free. Just what you want to talk about, and then we need to go deeper in stuff. Then we do. I always do. Then the second conversation is then a paid conversation, but it's like coaching, you know. But we will talk about it. So thanks for asking. So send me a direct message in Discord or in Telegram. It's all just my name, @Didi Taihuttu, or on Twitter or Instagram, and I will send you the link and all the stuff. We have 50 thumbs up, so I am going to share with you guys our beautiful rooftop. This is the first area. This is the plastic seat area. The plastic seat area. Then we have this beautiful area over here. This is the dinner area of the rooftop. So here we can have dinner, and with the dinner, we have the view of this beautiful pool. Really beautiful resort. Yes, we also have some sunbeds on the rooftop like this. We can sunbed. We even have a huge bed, you know, this one. So we can even, you know, sleep here, you know, maybe sleep here and look at the moon. And we have some more sunbed over there. It's a really chill rooftop, guys. I think I'm going to do some barbecues here for the Bitcoiners in Playa del Carmen. Here's another seating area. We have some more lounge area over here, and then this is the most beautiful part. Bam! We have a private pool. So we have a private pool. It's a small pool. It's a dipping pool, but it's a good pool. It's a good pool, and the pool we have the beautiful sea of the ocean, like you can see. So we have ocean view. It's a beautiful place. I'm very happy to spend the next 30 days over here. I'm looking forward to how it looks tonight. I'm going to invite people. We are going to do some really nice parties with some drinks, of course, over here. I will buy your indicator to use here as stocks in Brazil. The indicator works on stocks, works on crypto, works on any asset that is listed on TradingView. Yes, and the Bam Bam is doing the triple confirmation. More and more people start to use it as well in the stocks world, like to buy Tesla and all that other shit that I don't buy. It's not that Tesla is shit, but I don't believe in stocks because I think the performance of crypto is way bigger. Is Bitcoin dumping? Okay, don't freak out, just zoom out. We touched the upper line of this falling wedge, and if we touch the upper line, I told you don't break it, we will fall to the bottom line again, and then this wedge is becoming smaller and smaller. At the end we will break out and we will go to the 70k, first 61 and the 70k level, in my opinion. So I'm not freaking out, for me it's just chill. I see the movements happening on the charts. I don't see them now, but for me, I'm not freaking out. Let me know, do you like this rooftop terrace? And if you want me to walk inside, I can also walk inside to the house, so you can see that one as well. But I prefer to keep that like as a small surprise for the video that I created today, because it's a really nice video and then you can see everything. Is the internet not okay? Okay, that's bad. Sorry for that. Any more questions? In my opinion, we are still in the bull run, David. So that means that we can go up and down a little bit sideways. But in my opinion, we will break out to the upside. And when we break out to the upside, the next target for me is 70k. And at the end of the year, I think even more than 100k, and maybe even up to 200k. So for me, now the volatile movements, they are beautiful to trade. They are beautiful for the bots that I have trading. Because when it's volatile, the bots make more money. It's how it works. I would sell everything for Bitcoin because it gives you, one, the freedom to move around all over the world. Two, it will make you very, I think, future if it's about money, because I think Bitcoin in the long term, 4 years, is going up. So just calculate if you have. So let's say you go all into Bitcoin and you have like 5 Bitcoins or whatever you have, or 2 Bitcoins. You use 1 Bitcoin to live, and 1 Bitcoin will be more valuable in the next 3 years again. So you're back at break even in 3 years with that 1 Bitcoin you have left while you live this beautiful traveling life. So that's what the calculation we made, and that's how it works for us. It's a beautiful place, yes. Which bots do you use? I'm only owning. I'm using my own bots, and I'm experiencing now with a bot on 3 commas. But that's just because I can't test that one yet on the platform I am creating. Okay, I'm going to tell you there is some huge news coming in the first week of April. It's about the Bitcoin family products, the Bitcoin family token. There is some huge news coming in April. The first week of April, I'm going to drop some small Easter egg bombs in the next couple of days, some hints, so you understand what is going to happen. But there is some huge news coming, and I think the huge news that is very good for the Bam Bam indicator, for the TikTok indicator, and also for the BFET. And I think you will all love the news about the BFET. I think that will be the biggest news, and it will be between now and the first week of April. So I can't say more, but I'm very positive that there is nobody in this room that is now listening that wouldn't like that news. I can't say what will happen in paid next week. I can only say that it will be big news. The best platform to buy paid network at the moment, in my opinion, is Uniswap. But if the fees are a little bit lower at the moment at Gate.io, I think that one is also selling paid network, paid tokens. We have 160 viewers already, 70 thumbs up, beautiful. So 1 t-shirt is going to be given away, 100 thumbs up, 2 t-shirts are going to be given away. After I uploaded this video, you need to leave a comment, and between those, I think last month we gave away almost 50 t-shirts. So we keep giving away t-shirts because we love all the world to walk around like me with Bitcoin t-shirts. What else do we have, guys? Do we have some questions, some more questions that I can answer for you? hold all the way through. We have huge companies. Yes, I need to completely agree with Jay Bro over there. The biggest of the biggest companies are now boarding crypto and adding Bitcoin to their balance sheet, which means they believe in the long term. They're not doing this for the short term, which means there will be a huge supply crisis, and which means that the prices will go up. You know, that's how the market is drying up. There is not any Bitcoin for sale anymore. You know, they can't even buy 1,000 Bitcoins a time anymore. And so that's why they are all now, oh my God, they are all worrying. How do we get these Bitcoins? That's why these countries start to mine Bitcoins. That's why Iran, Pakistan, they all start to mine Bitcoins, because they know that buying Bitcoins will become more difficult. And the moment buying Bitcoin will become more difficult, these countries need to decide, oh, if we can't buy Bitcoin, what can we do? Oh shit, we can incentivize our power plants to mine Bitcoins, use the electricity that we generate with the power plants to mine Bitcoins, and that's how they accumulate Bitcoins now instead of buying it. Because if these countries want to buy Bitcoin, they need to depend on the sellers. And there are no sellers at the moment. It's 900 Bitcoins new to the market every day. There is about 1,500 Bitcoins put to the market by exchanges because they earn fees, and the rest, there is nothing. So you need to buy from the whales. You can see that the whales are withdrawing all the Bitcoins from the exchanges, so they are not selling. So the only way for banks, government, and all these countries to get Bitcoins is just to start mining. Why they are all mining. That is why Iraq is mining officially with the power plants. That is why Pakistan is doing it. Venezuela is doing it. Even the Venezuelan army is mining Bitcoins. That's why Europe, China, they are all mining Bitcoins. For this reason, because they know that in a couple more years, they will never be able anymore to buy a Bitcoin. In my opinion. Okay, so do we have any more? How much is the accommodation for 30 days? Marcus, I don't like to speak about prices. I always make good deals. This is a little bit more expensive, this accommodation, but I was able to make a deal. The first time we stayed in Tulum, an Amanzala resort, beautiful resort. I'm educating them now on how to accept Bitcoins with their resort so they can market it as a Bitcoin resort. That's why you got a huge discount at Amanzala. Now we are in Playa del Carmen. The first week I stayed in a beautiful resort, Playa Condo. That one didn't accept Bitcoins and didn't want to know what Bitcoins is. This is a guy who has a company, and this company rents out like 6 or 7 of these apartments over here, and he wants to start accepting Bitcoin. So I told him, if you want to start to accept Bitcoin, you need to give me one of these penthouses for a reduced price, and I will take the time in that month that I'm here to educate you in how to accept Bitcoin, how to integrate it into your website, and then also how to market it. Because I told him, you know, we have the Bitcoin family, and we are famous in this niche market and on CNBC, and then they all like, wow, whoa, so you can even help me with marketing? Yes, of course. I say then, tell them then we can help you with marketing, because you know I can write articles and all that stuff about that you now accept Bitcoins, and then you're the first hotel in Playa del Carmen, which of course is amazing. So that is how I make these deals, and that's you can call it like, yeah, if you have a little bit famousness in a niche market like this, you can use your name, and that's what we try. But still, I think if you normally booked these kinds of apartments, normally they would be around, I think, $500 a day. So that's still not too much, I think, for Mexican understandings, because there are way more expensive apartments over here. But again, that's not what we are paying. Guys, do you have any more questions? Do you want me to walk downstairs to show you the rooms and everything, or what is it? What can I help you with today? 26 March, yes, the contracts expired. That's why I think we saw the Bitcoin push. I said that already before in the videos. I told you guys, if these contracts are going to expire, the last 2 times they expired, Bitcoin had a huge run of the first time quarter, when the quarter options expired. The first time was 80%, the second time was 140%. So we could even still see this huge run, because this was nothing. This was just from 50K to almost 60K now. That is not a run. And this is like now maybe a small correction, and then we need to run to 70K, and then we just did again what we always do. Bitcoin runs after the expiration of 6.1 billion worth of options. Yeah, maybe, yeah. The 50K is 52K is I think the bottom of the chart that I shared on the Discord server. And the bottom is around 52K, the green line, the long term. That is my opinion. So here you see all the rooftop penthouses. There's many here. It's beautiful, beautiful place. Oh, sorry guys, is my internet? Yeah, that's because I'm high. Let me go downstairs into the room. So into the room, you can, maybe the internet is better over there, and you can see how the apartment looks. I'm high. I'm not high. No, I don't only hold Bitcoin. I hold many currencies, guys. I'm holding Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, e-gold. I'm holding many more currencies. But I've already showed that in many other crypto videos. So yes, this is our living room. It's nice. A little bit television, Thai style. This is the most beautiful part, of course. Bam. What is this? What do we have? What do I find in my beautiful apartment? A pool. That needs to be very positive. That needs to be very positive. So we have a small kitchen, we have a living room over here. I'm just going to walk around so that you know a little bit. My wife is unpacking. This is our bedroom. This is the place where all the magic happens, isn't it? Is this, look, she walks away. Is it the magic place or not?
Yeah.
Is it where the bulls play? So this is our bedroom and some bathroom over there. Yeah, you know, I don't agree with Bitcoin is painfully slow and outdated. You know, gold and money is outdated. If you compare Bitcoin to gold and money, Bitcoin is fast. And Bitcoin will evolve to the gold of the 21st century. So, you know, the second layer applications like Liquid and like Lightning Network, they ain't going to solve all the slow Bitcoin problems that you are thinking of now. I will show you also where the kids are. Of course, this one is also very, very important. There's Jessa. Say hello.
Hi.
Jessa, Lightning is fast. This is the room of the kids. Juna is already lounging in a room. Look, what are you doing?
Eating and on my telephone.
Eating and on the telephone. So they have two beds over here. It's a little bit messy, but we just came in, guys. So it's we just came in a minute ago, or like 5 minutes ago. This is Jolie's room. She has also bedroom, bathroom. I think she's in the bathroom. I won't disturb her in the bathroom. Polish vodka. Yeah, look. It really is Polish. Poland. But it's a huge bottle, eh? It will take me some time to drink that, I think. So that's the apartment, guys. I'm going to create a really cool video later today, and then you can see the whole apartment, also the surroundings, the pools and everything. And we did some fun in the morning. I want to share with you that, but you will see that video later. It will be funny. Okay, I'm going to go back to answering all your questions now, because now hopefully the internet is better down here. Let me know if the internet is better. Focus on positive family. Yes, always be positive. Do you see market cap become more than the gold market cap? Yes, the Bitcoin market cap will overtake the gold market cap in the next, in my opinion, in the next 5 years. I think we'll see a bigger market cap than gold before 2025. Ah, perfect. Thoughts on Dia? Bom Dia. That's my thoughts. Yes, I hold e-gold, Aaron, sorry. I would love to visit Chile. Chile looks, you know, we want to see whole South America. Monero, I also hold Monero, of course. You know, we hold a lot of cryptocurrencies. SafeMoon, I still didn't look into SafeMoon. I still need to look into SafeMoon. Portugal, yes, Portugal, we are still building. The team is growing. I will come back to Portugal when the PDF is ready. I think the Dutch pension funds, I think at the end they will buy Bitcoin. You know what the beautiful part is? MicroStrategy is partly owned by the Norwegian government. The Norwegian government has a 1 or 10% stake in MicroStrategy, which means that every Norwegian person already holds a little bit Bitcoin because the Norwegian government invested in MicroStrategy as a part of the pension funds of the Norwegian people. So the Norwegian people all own like $1.80 in Bitcoin or something now. StormX, I don't know about the coin, but I'm using the StormX platform now and then to book stuff on Expedia, or if the kids want to buy something, because sometimes the YouTube or the revenue that we earn with some activities we do is like not in Bitcoin because they don't want to pay Bitcoin yet. So sometimes we are forced to accept US dollar tether or something like this, and then sometimes we use the debit cards, and the debit cards on StormX. So let me tell you like this: if you want to earn crypto while spending crypto, StormX, in my opinion, is really cool because through StormX, if you buy stuff through their platform on Alibaba or on Nike stores, whatever, you get a 4% to 16% cashback in crypto. So you earn cashback in crypto because you use the StormX app to buy the products. And if you then pay with your Crypto.com debit card, also through StormX, you also get the cashback in Crypto.com. So you have a double cashback by doing what you would normally also do, shopping. So that's how we do it. We get the double cashback. Playa de Carmen and cannot use Binance. What exchange is Mexican use for? I don't know exactly. There is an app here. It's called BitGo, I think. And BitGo is the most used app here in Mexico to transact Bitcoins into cash and back. And I do think they also have an exchange. So I think she needs to look at BitGo. Depends on what the people are asking you when I do the one-to-one coaching sessions. Some people want to talk to me about, okay, how do you create a mindset to change life? How do you create a healthy portfolio when it comes to cryptocurrencies? How do you create a healthy trading strategy combined with a healthy portfolio? How do you travel with children? How do you do schooling? All those questions that we walked through in the last 5 years, because we are living this life already now for 5 years, you get a lot of experience by living this life for 5 years. So there's a lot of things that you can help people with. For example, if you now want to find out how to trade, which websites, which tools to use, it will take you hours and hours and hours. Some people just don't have the time to do the Googling all for themselves, and then they just skip all that by just do one coach session with me, and I will walk them through the most easy way to get into Bitcoin in their country, to start trading, all that stuff. So there's a lot of aspects in the coaching part. You live in Africa. No, I won't. We are not going to live in Africa, but we will visit Africa, of course, yes. I think the first country we will visit in Africa will be Morocco. PundiX, yes, I have PundiX because I believe I met Zach, the founder and the CEO of PundiX. I met him a few times. I believe in the PundiX project. They are big in Indonesia, and I think they will grow. I think they have a lot of things going on. Yes, Uniswap. It's not because I can't steer the fees on Uniswap. So the families on Uniswap, the fees are calculated because of Ethereum. But I'm working very hard to get family listed on a few other platforms as well. Then we need to provide liquidity on those platforms, and then you can also start to swap them with less fees, or maybe even trade them with less fees. I will tell you more about that in the first week of April as well. Yeah, I would love to go to Tanger. I would love to go to Agadir. I would love to go to Rabat. I would love to go to Marrakesh. Morocco sounds such a beautiful. Yeah, it's the country of 1,001 stories, or what is it again? That stuff. Yep. It's also, guys, we have Monday coming. Monday is again the day that we probably will go back to the CME gap, and the CME was closing Friday around 54,000 US dollar. So maybe Monday we will be around 54,000 US dollar just because of the CME again, which would be now maybe already in some parts of the world because there's a huge time difference between me and the rest of the world at the moment. Yes, 1,001 nights. Do you pay taxes? That's, I will ask you, do you pay taxes? I pay taxes, but I don't need to pay taxes because if you live in Portugal, you have 0% tax on Bitcoin. We are still all in. We don't have bank accounts. We don't have property. We don't have anything. We just have telephones, laptops, clothes, and Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. So we pay taxes on cryptocurrencies if we need to pay taxes on cryptocurrencies. But in Portugal, there's 0% tax on cryptocurrency. And Mexico is also 0% tax on cryptocurrency. And if you would be living in Holland, for example, you pay 1.3% a year on your cryptocurrencies. So you just need to make sure you are registered in a country where there is not too many tax involved in cryptocurrency. Yeah, the rooftop is beautiful, and I'm looking forward. We just arrived like 15 to 20 minutes ago. I'm looking forward to spend a lot of time in the rooftop, in the pool, with some friends here. There's a lot of Bitcoiners here, so I think we will going to have some beautiful small parties on the rooftop as well. In Belgium, I don't know how much tax you pay over there. I think you have a profit tax in Belgium. I think it's pretty high, but I don't know for sure. So in Belgium, if you make profits with crypto, you pay taxes on that. In Holland, it's capital tax. So it means it's just 1.3% on your total capital, and Bitcoin can be part of your capital. No, don't move to. I wouldn't move to Belgium as well. 0% to 20K personal only. Okay, but then it's that's not even 10. Wow, that's 0.4 Bitcoin or something. I think a lot of people hold more than 0.4 Bitcoin, so then you will be paying tax in Belgium as well. We don't, the dip from 2013 I talked about, this is the 21 EMA on the weekly chart. If you go to the weekly chart on TradingView and you add an EMA at the 21, you can see where that one is. I think next week it will be somewhere around 40K. So we could still dip to that line, but there is a lot of bullishness in the market. There is a lot of people buying the Bitcoin dips all the time. So I think it's very difficult to go below 50K at the moment, because I think we are in this falling wedge pattern, and the more you come to the end of the falling wedge, the more chance there is, the longer it will take, the bigger the chance that we will break to the upside, in my opinion. So for me, I'm not freaking out. I don't even know what the dip is at the moment, but I really believe that we need to zoom out now. We are in a bull market. The bull market of 2017 had 8 corrections of more than 30%. 30 to 40%. We have seen now 4, maybe this one, now 5 corrections in this bull market. This bull market is not at the end. We can see it in the charts. Do look at the weekly chart today at the NVT. It's a free indicator, and check if the NVT is turning from red to gray. If this NVT is turning from red to gray, then we will see maybe a couple of bearish sideways weeks, maybe a month, before we go up again and pull up to the roof. Top is on fire. The roof. That's what I think. We will go on another couple minutes, guys. It's already 33 minutes again. I am trying to keep them a little bit shorter, because then more people watch them. The most beautiful place in Portugal would be for me the Algarve. I love the part between Lagos and Portimao. So this part for me is one of the most beautiful parts over there. Volatility is beautiful. If you trade, you want volatility. You want the markets to move. If the markets don't move, there is no profit to make. If you're a trader, you want this market to go up, down, up, down, up, down, because that's the moment you trade. That's the moment you take the profit. If the market is very quiet, moving like this, you don't make many profits. So for me as a trader, volatility is very important. And for the whole Bitcoin family, for all the people that sign up to the Bitcoin family because of the trading, the volatility is important, because that makes you that makes it more easy for you to make profits with trading. Tika Tiwari will be received. It went too fast. Sorry, I couldn't read it. Choose Portugal over Mexico to build a blockchain community. Portugal is. I don't choose Portugal above Mexico. I'm building a blockchain community in Thailand, houseofdao.io. Do check it, houseofdao.io. We are building that one in Thailand. We are building Blockchain Valley in Bulgaria, also a really cool project. They are building the virtual Blockchain Valley, so you can walk around as an avatar. My avatar is completely ready, and you can visit a cinema as an avatar, or a concert as an avatar, or even visit the physical Blogic Valley that we're going to build, but then the virtual world. So that one is being built in Sofia in Bulgaria. Then we are going to build a blockchain valley village. Maybe we need to call them the Bitcoin family villages or something like that. But that one is going to be built in Portugal, and I'm talking to people here in Mexico as well to start to build a blockchain village in Mexico as well. So then we have one in South America, we have one in Asia, we have one in Eastern Europe and in Western Europe. So that you can start to travel from blockchain village to blockchain village to blockchain village to blockchain village, and always be surrounded by same-minded people that want to make a revolution of the monetary system, that want to change the world for the better. That's why I'm trying to build all those places. Yes, we have more Bitcoins at the end now than we had when we went in, but that is because we traded very well. So when we went all in, we had a lot of Bitcoins. Then we gave away a lot of Bitcoins to charity. I think more than 50% almost to charity. Then we had a huge crash, you know, to 12K, which I didn't expect. Then we had the 12 to the 6K crash, which I didn't expect. And then we had the 6 to the 3K crash, which I also didn't expect. So we lost a lot of value over there because we were living the all-in life in 2018. And 2018, it was a bearish year. So every month costed us the minimum of 1 Bitcoin as a family. So in 2018, we already spent 12 Bitcoin just on living life. Maybe even more. Some months were more expensive. 2019, a few months also, you know, costed us 1 Bitcoin a month. So, but we traded a lot. So the end of 2019, I started to focus more on trading, using the indicators, the Bam Bam indicators, testing all that stuff. And we started to make a lot of profits with those indicators. And 2020 was a very positive year for us because that was the start of the bull market. 2020 you could still buy in the beginning of 3-4K again, and then bam, we were going up. So then the trading became more easy, and that's when we started to make more Bitcoins. Also, I started to invest in very beautiful projects. I invested in Chainlink, I invested in Polkadot, I invested in Eagle, I invested in many of these projects that went like up 100, 200, 300%. So that's how we multiply your Bitcoins, because we invest, we make profits, we exchange the profits to Bitcoin, and that's how you multiply the Bitcoins. I also heavily invested in paid network. I'm their ambassador. This project did really well. We went to $5. We fell back to $2, $3 because of the hack, but I think it won't take long that we are going higher again. And I still have a lot of paid tokens. So yes, we focus on multiplying our Bitcoins. And that's why I'm writing now this multiply your Bitcoin strategy, a PDF that I'm going to give away for free to people so that they can do the huge swing trades. You know, that they can start to exchange the Bitcoins at the top of the bull market into a stable coin, maybe even use a huge part of that to stake and to live with the high yields and multiply your capital by these yields and then buy back at the dip. And that's how you run these 4-year cycles. There's a lot of projects we can still invest in. The bull run is, I think, we are halfway the bull run. So for me, you know, if there are cool projects, then I'm still investing in it. But I'm also aware that if we go into the bear market from bullish to bearish, guys, all of those projects that we are investing in now, they will drop as well. If Bitcoin will drop from, let's say, 150 or 200K back to 40K, all the altcoins will drop tremendously as well. They will not go up when Bitcoin is going to drop. So that's also when I get out of these alts in the future. They are all connected to Bitcoin, in my opinion. I think the bull market will last another couple months. No, we are creating the websites all independent at the moment because every village is being built by another team, but they will all have the same mindset. I think in the end we will all be using the House of DAO concept. So if you want to look at the website, houseofdao.io, a beautiful website. That's a little bit the way we are going to structure all these villages everywhere in the world. So the names are not that important in my opinion. It's the vision and the mindset and the goal of the villages which is more important. Oh, okay. Oi, I'm getting old. I did some sports this morning. I think every 4 years you have the cycle, and we are repeating the cycle. We have 100 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much for all these thumbs ups. I'm going to give away 2 t-shirts at the end when I upload this video. Please leave a comment below that video so I can maybe give away one of the videos for free to you guys. Referral link for the Bitcoin starter kit. I don't have a referral link, I think. I don't know for sure. But I can send you the link of the Bitcoin starter kit that you can just order it. I don't need to make money on that one. It's a beautiful kit to start to educate your kids. I will drop the link later down below this video as well when it's uploaded. The website is called Didi Taihuttu.youcanbookme.com, I think. Something like that. I need to put the link down below as well so that you know the link for the coaching sessions. It's called youcanbookme.com. Didi Taihuttu, you can book me. Maybe Google it. Didi Taihuttu .youcanbookme. Something like that. Oh my God, I'm unstructured. The coaching is also unstructured. So you know, I'm not the perfect coach and I'm more expensive than a lawyer, but I'm way better than a lawyer. Do we have any more questions, guys? I'm going to go continue another 4 minutes. Then we have 45 minutes. I think that would be long enough. Terima kasih, sama-sama, no problem. Thank you for asking. And I'm going to go into the sea today since a long time. I don't think you can buy paid on Bitvavo. Bitvavo needs to contact me, then I can hook them up with the paid network team, and then maybe they are offering some cool coins as well. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please give some more thumbs up. If we reach the 150 thumbs ups, to be given away, so the chance will be bigger that you win a t-shirt. We are 9 thumbs ups left, and then we have 150. I will give away 3 t-shirts. I still need to give away 2 t-shirts from the last week. I know this. The other ones are all given away, but 2 from the last week, and then I think 3 for this week as well, because we only need 4 more thumbs up. The family coin on Binance, very good questions, Hodl Ben. That's the last thing I'm going to tell you. The family coin, we are looking into listings. They are asking us to list. I am kind of a non-KYC guy, which means I'm doubting very hard if I want to put the family token on an exchange where people need to do KYC. Because I prefer all the family tokens to be non-KYC. I have my reasons for this. So for me, yes, I believe I need to make good decisions there. So that's why I'm thinking about now what do I want to do? Do I want to go list the family token on a KYC regulated exchange, or do I want to keep it decentralized? Because my vision of crypto is all about decentralization. I am in this industry to decentralize and disrupt the whole monetary system and all that centralized, grabbing authorities that want to control all of us. So I don't know if I want to, be one of the KYC exchanges, but I'm thinking about it. I'm really hard thinking about it. I know that will increase the value tremendously of the family token, but sometimes for me it doesn't need to go very fast. Maybe we can build it as a community up in value as well without needing to do KYC and all that stuff. So I'm not saying no, I'm not saying yes, but I'm thinking very hard on this. So I hope, guys, that you really enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up again. We have 160 thumbs ups, 3 t-shirts are going out. Thank you so much. It's about 35 degrees over here. It's really warm. Everybody you can see in the back, it's in the sea, it's full, there is no regulations, there is no nothing, there is no face mask, it's completely open. It's normal life. The bars, restaurants, party, it's all normal life. It's beautiful over here. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked it. If you like it, please share it with your friends and family. If there is any tip you want to give me about content, YouTube, all the other stuff, please let me know in the comments. I deeply respect if you do this, because I want to learn, I want to improve, I want to make my videos better, I want to make all the content better. So if you have any advice, then just tell me, because that's what I want to do. I want to improve it. I hope you like that I do now the trading videos and the family videos separate. I think it's better for the YouTube algorithm, but also for you to watch. Let me also know if you don't like it. That was everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends and family, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. And hope to see you tomorrow again on another video. I will upload another video today that will be a video on how we went into the apartment. It's a really nice video. You will be laughing, I think. But let's see. Maybe it will be in the morning for you guys, because I still need to edit it. I'm not going to drink. I'm going to lose more weight. I'm going to look like this in a few weeks. because I'm doing a lot of sports. Have an amazing Sunday. Enjoy the last day of the weekend, and also enjoy the preparations of the beautiful new week we are going to go in, because it will be a very cool week for Bitcoin, but also for the Bitcoin family. We are going towards the first week of April. Again, a lot of news will be announced in that week. Enjoy your day and see you tomorrow again. Thanks for watching. David, I think it was David. Thank you again for all the deposits and the donations you did, the €5. Amazing. Guys, all the love from the Bitcoin family to you, and see you tomorrow again. Bam! That was only one bam today. Terrible, Didi. You're getting better and better and worse and worse.